Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can see post insights on Instagram app. So when you are on the personal account, you can see that there is no such insights option to see the post insights of your post. So if you want to see the post insights of your Instagram posts, so what you need to do is you have to switch to the business account. So you have to switch to the professional account. So firstly what you need to do is you have to simply click on this menu button and then tap on the settings, and from here you have to go to the account settings option and then scroll down here and then tap on the switch to professional account, and here it will then tap on the continue, and then here you can choose any of the things that describes you and then tap on the done button here in the bottom. So it is saying that it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. So you have to choose the business account. So if you choose the creator account, it won't work. So you have to choose the business account, then tap on the next, and then you can skip this. You can tap on the cut button in the top left corner, in the top right corner, sorry. And when you open any post, here you can see the view insights option is there in the bottom uh, left corner of this post. So you can simply tap on the view insights option, and here you can see all these insights of, and here you can find all post insights, which is like, comment, post and reach. So that's it, that how you can do this. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. So that's it. See you next time.